Hey there, Philippines. Thinking about turning those pretty feet into profit? Let's explore the bustling world of selling feet pics right from your own home. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring an exciting opportunity, selling feet pics in the Philippines. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or considering a full-time venture, I will guide you through everything you need to know to get started. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's pamper those feet. Before you start snapping photos, ensure your feet look their best. Regular scrubbing, moisturizing, and maybe even a little pedicure go a really long way. And remember, the more appealing your feet look, the more likely they are to catch a buyer's eye. Invest in some foot spa treatments at home, like hydrating lotions and quality foot masks to keep your feet in top-notch condition. Next up, picking where to sell. While you could set up your own website, using a dedicated platform like Feet Finder can really ease the process. These sites connect you with reliable buyers and ensure all your transactions are secured. They also handle the verification process, which is crucial to prevent scams and ensure safety for both the buyers and the sellers. All right, time to make your foot pics really shine. It's all about creativity. So don't just follow the trends, set them. Utilize elements that give your photos kind of a unique flair. How about a shot with your feet buried in pristine sands, or perhaps a playful scene with your toes kind of peeking out of a hammock by the beach? Experiment with different props like tropical flowers or locally made fabrics, and play with angles to highlight the natural beauty of your feet. Adding these personalized touches not only enhances your pics, but also connects with buyers looking for something truly special. Listen, marketing is key. Use social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook to promote your feet pics. Create an engaging profile, post regularly, and interact with your audience. This not only builds your brand, but also helps direct potential buyers to your sales page. Being active and connecting with the community is crucial. Finally, let's talk about money. Setting the right price can be kind of tricky, but it's important to start by checking what others are charging. Be consistent with your pricing and avoid underselling your work. For payments, choose secure methods like Pics to protect yourself from fraud, and always receive payments before sending out the original high-quality images. Selling feet pics in the Philippines is a great way to earn money online, and it's completely legal and straightforward if you follow the right steps. With the right preparation, platform, and promotion, you can turn this into a profitable venture. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For more tips on how to successfully sell feet pics online and other interesting content, keep watching our channel. And check out feetfinder.com for more detailed information and start your journey today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.